There are endless varieties of pasta in Italy. So today I'm going to make a pasta which is my personal favorite, penne aglio olio peperoncino. So my pan is heating up here and I'm going to use a lot of olive oil in this. Next is my favorite garlic. So some red chili peppers. It's a spicy pasta, mind you. I said it's pepperoncino, as in the spice has to be there. So we just need to sweat the garlic and the peppers. So I've got some boiled pasta here, which is a penne variety. So I like cooking the pasta with the sauce itself. So for that I'm just going to add a very little bit of water. So I'm just going to roughly tear a lot of basil leaves into the pan. That's how it is. A little bit of some dried oregano. 1 sprig of thyme. So all the flavors in here. Okay, I'm just going to add a bit of cherry tomatoes to this. This is my personal choice. That's my tomatoes. They go in. With that, I'm going to add some beautiful Italian black olives. To this, back to basics, a little bit salt for the seasoning, freshly grounded pepper. And mind you, there is no cheese that is going into the pasta now, because cheese is normally added to pastas made with cream or rich pastas made with butter or white sauce. What is missing now is a bit more oil. And my pasta is absolutely ready. In minutes. Cheese that goes normally into Italian cooking, and that is Parmesan. But if you can't get your hands on Parmesan, any local cheese, nice hard cheese would do. Maybe a few basil leaves. My lovely portion of penne aglio olio peperoncino, as in all the flavors, beautiful basil, the spiciness from the chili, the texture of the olive oil pasta, simply superb. Go try it.